This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Xiaomi phone to transfer pictures to a USB device, and this is very easy to do. I'm just going to be using this little OTG adapter. This has a USB end and a USB-C end, so I can plug in one of my USB drives, just like this. And then this will go into the bottom of the phone. Now when this is connected, we can go on over to the file manager and we can transfer everything over. So let's go on over to file manager. So mine is located right here. It says files on it, or it might pop up on us. And we can go to explore. Now let's back up and go to storage on the bottom. And you can see your USB device right here. Here's all my different files on it. But we can go to images. And then just hold down on image. And then you can go to move or send. So we can go to move now and then pick USB. Find a location to move it to. And then click move. And the file is going to move to that location. It should be stored on the USB device. Now you can transfer it from your USB device to your phone easily too. We can just click on it right there under storage. And then we can move it back over to my internal storage on my phone. So very easy to go back and forth. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.